Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Wix website. This is incredibly useful when you're working with a team or need someone else to help manage your site with full permissions. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look to the left navigation menu where you'll find the Site and Mobile App option. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific website management area where you can control various settings and configurations for your site. From here, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to add an admin to, especially if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account. Confirming this now will save you from making changes to the wrong site later on. Once you've verified you're on the correct website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage of the process. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is the main workspace where you can design and modify your site. From here, start by locating the Settings menu, which you'll find in the upper left part of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this drop-down menu, select Roles and Permissions. This is where you'll manage who has access to your website and what level of control they have. You'll now be directed to the Roles and Permissions dashboard. This page displays all current collaborators and their assigned roles. To add an admin, simply click on the button that says Plus Invite Collaborators. This will initiate the process of bringing someone new onto your site with administrative privileges. You'll now be directed to the Site Collaborator page, where you'll enter the details of the person you want to add. Start by typing in the email address of the person you wish to add as another admin. Make sure you enter this correctly to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Then, look under the Select Roles section and click on the Admin Co-Owner role. This role grants full access to your site, allowing the new admin to make changes, manage settings, and control nearly every aspect of your website just like you can. Once you've selected the role, double-check that the email address you've entered for the admin role is correct. When everything looks good, click on Send Invite, and that's it. The invitation will be sent to the email address you provided, and once they accept, they'll have full admin access to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.